Stopped at this neat little stop here. And I'm gonna go check out what's inside here. We get to go inside and look at this train. Okay, now we're gonna go inside. Ah.
Right, get out of your way. There's mosquitoes biting me though.
Oh, okay. Very cool. They've done a really nice job on restoring all these. So this is the town of Deer Lodge, and we came into this is the prison museum, auto museum. Really nice little stop. Okay, this is the prison museum. Okay, this is the guard tower. The original guard tower. So you go in there, you climb up to there. This is the federal building. Oh, that scared me. I thought that was a real person in there. Creepy. It says that George Rock was executed by this device. It was supposed to drop a 300-pound weight to break the neck, but the device failed and he ended up being strangled to death. There's another one of the guard towers. This is Siberia East. These are isolation cells for the most troublesome inmates, they said.
Go inside there. I'll take your picture.
I'm afraid you're gonna lock me in here. These are more isolation cells in here. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's wrong. That is wrong.
Pleasant dreams.
Oh, no kidding. This is the prison life section. You can see that they had the ranch area, the meat processing, laundry, prison band. Okay, and this is the yard, recreation yard. You can see the guard towers. Okay, this is inside the prison itself. 1912 cell house. Oh, these are really low, really short. I'm 5'3", and I would almost bump my head going in and out. There's 2, 3, 4 stories of cells in here. So this is Turkey Pete's cell. I think it's interesting that some of these cells, let me see if I can get my phone in here and look. Some of these cells, looks like people have thrown money in there, maybe for good luck. Don't know. This is the Law Enforcement Museum. Okay, this set of handcuffs was used to transport Lee Harvey Oswald. They call this the Galloping Gallows. This is the Auto Museum. I am not one that loves cars like this, but I'm excited coming down here and seeing this. These are really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, my first car. Mustang convertible. It's one of those things, hindsight, you wish you wouldn't have gotten rid of it. I paid $300 for it. Okay, this is another thing that's gonna date me. My kindergarten teacher had one of these, just like this. This is the little town that they have. It says Cottonwood City, 1858. Gonna go inside and take a look. That is a working blacksmith shop, from what they said, that they do sell the things that they make in there. There's the jail. Looks like church. Post office.
Good, how about you?
Hey, good. We're gonna come in and see what you're doing.
Making stuff.
Making stuff.
I'm making is more of these piss hooks.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Everything from here to here, and those door hooks is my work.
I bought a few things from blacksmiths. I was going to say the last thing I bought was a railroad hooks that I hang my hats on.
Yeah.
That was kind of nice. All right, thank you much.
Thank you.
Y'all have a nice day.
Thank you. That was a really, really nice little stop.